This is a 130,000 naira Bluetooth speaker. It is the Xdobo X8 Max Bluetooth speaker. Now, do you know that this device can power your smartphone when you run out of battery, especially iPhone users who are always looking to charge? This device will charge your phone while you're playing music. It comes with a massive 20,000 milliamps battery, and that will charge your smartphone while you're enjoying the music that is coming out from this bad boy. And there are other features which I'm going to be telling you. But first, I need you to do something for me. Now, if you're here for the first time, please, I beg of you, kindly hit on that subscribe button. It is totally free. Thank you very much. So, starting with the unboxing of this device, if it's your first time getting this, you will notice how heavy the box is, with the specs written on it. On opening the box, you have the manual, and then an included strap for the device, and then a USB-C charging cable and the aux cable. Now let's talk about the design and build up of this Bluetooth speaker. It's a very compact device with a build that feels really premium, and it is designed to fit into any space, your bedroom, your workspace, or even your sitting room. The matte finish here will catch your attention seeing it for the first time, especially given the IPX5 rating here. This Bluetooth will last for a very long time. So if you want to go and bathe or swim, go with this Bluetooth. No shaking, boss. It also comes with an intuitive control panel on top, allowing you to play, pause, skip tracks, or adjust the volume, and even take calls with ease. And then other external features include the seal that covers the connectivity ports. You have the memory card slot, the audio port, the USB Type A port, and the USB-C port. So please, when not in use, please seal it back so water doesn't get into any of those ports. And speaking of connectivity, this device offers both wireless Bluetooth connectivity and the aux input, making it compatible to any device at all. So I'm going to go ahead to pair it to my smartphone so I can test the sound. I know you guys are waiting to hear the sound that comes out from this device. So let me go ahead and pair it to my smartphone. So from your phone settings, when you turn the Bluetooth on, you should be able to see the device. So go ahead and pair with your smartphone, and it is done. It has a solid connectivity range that ensures a stable connection. Now let's talk about the most important aspect, and that is the sound quality. So before I test out the sound quality of this device, probably I didn't mention this. This device is really big on bass. I mean, it's a deep bass leader. And we're going to find out when I play some of my musics. So let me go ahead and find the music with that kind of energy and play. What do you think? It has this dynamic crystal clear audio with deep bass, and it is okay. I like the sound quality depending on the music of your choice. And you can also tweak the sound a bit using the EQ button to whatever suits you. So what do you think of the sound quality? Is the bass rich enough? There is an included microphone for your calls, very clear and crisp. Another impressive feature of this device is the long-lasting battery life. It is an inbuilt battery that you can charge. You can charge it from here and play music up to 12 hours on a single charge. So if you're planning a beach party or something, this Bluetooth speaker has got you covered for the next 12 hours. 12 hours of non-stop music. Don't forget, you can also charge your smartphone in case of emergency. So for 130,000 in Naira or 140 US dollars, I think this device is really worth it. Because after spending quality time with this Bluetooth speaker, I mean, it is really okay. The sound quality, the durability, the long-lasting battery life. And you can also charge your smartphone. And the design is perfect. It's a perfect choice for someone out there in the market looking to get a boom speaker. I highly recommend getting the Xdobo X8 Max Bluetooth speaker. But first, what are your thoughts? What do you think about this device? Please, let's go to the comments and talk about it. And if it's your first time on my channel, you haven't subscribed, please, I beg you, kindly hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my review of the Xdobo X8 Max Bluetooth speaker. I'll see you in the next one.